In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Notebooklm for studying. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Notebooklm website. Once the page loads, you will land on the main dashboard. This is the home base where you can create and manage separate notebooks for different classes or topics. Keeping one notebook per subject can help you stay organized and avoid mixing sources. Next, create a new notebook. On the dashboard, click the button labeled Plus Create New. This opens a fresh workspace where you will add the materials you want to study from. Think of this notebook as a study hub that pulls your sources and your notes into one place. Now it is time to upload your sources. In the pop-up, select the materials you want Notebooklm to use. You can add PDFs such as lecture slides or readings, paste YouTube links for recorded lessons, or choose files from your drive. As you add items, they will appear in the source panel on the left side of the screen. Make sure you choose sources that match your current study goal, because the answers you get will only be as strong as the material you provide. Once your sources are loaded, move to the center chat panel to analyze your content. Type a clear study question, like a request for a summary of a chapter, key terms and definitions, or an explanation of a difficult concept. Notebooklm will respond with an answer that includes clickable citations. Use those citations to jump back to the exact place in your sources where the information came from. This is especially helpful for verifying details and avoiding confusion during exam prep. After that, use the Studio panel on the right to generate study outputs. Click Audio Overview to create a quick listenable recap, slide deck to turn the content into presentation-style notes, or video overview for a more visual summary. These tools can save time when you need a fast review. Finally, remember that you can save useful responses. On any answer, click Save to Note to store it for later. This makes it easy to build a running set of study notes as you go. That covers everything you need to know.